Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials so you can fix Apple Pay fast. Check that your device is running the latest iOS. Updates often resolve security and payment fixes. Next, make sure you are signed into your Apple ID and iCloud, and the card and wallet shows active. This verifies authentication. Once done, verify region, date and time, and wallet permissions. These affect token authorization and network validation, so get them right before moving to deeper troubleshooting. You now perform the core fixes that actually restore payments. Remove the card from wallet, wait a few seconds, then add it again. This forces a new token exchange with your bank. If that fails, toggle airplane mode and Wi-Fi, then restart the device to clear cached network or NFC issues. Make sure to call your bank to confirm there are no holds or token provisioning errors. Banks sometimes block mobile tokens for security reasons, so get that cleared before testing again. You finish by validating and, if needed, performing deeper resets. Try a small contactless purchase to confirm NFC and token authorization. This proves end-to-end function. If it still fails, reset network settings to resolve persistent NFC or connectivity faults. This clears Wi-Fi passwords, so be ready to reconnect. As a last resort, sign out of your Apple ID, erase the device, and restore from backup. That removes corrupt settings. If problems continue, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.